Hi, in this video I will show you how to install specific version of Docker on ec2, manually using the command line and automatically using Lunch Template. Okay, so right now I have ec2 with Amazon Linux 2023. If you want to see all the versions that are currently available, for example Docker, you can use sudo yum list docker, show duplicates, sort -r, or sort in reverse order. Docker version. As you can see, I haven't installed Docker yet. So, if I use sudo yum install docker, then I will choose the latest version. I can of course specify exactly what version I want to install. Docker version. As you can see, I have exactly the version I wanted. Okay, let's do the same thing, but automatically. Okay, before we move on to automation, one small advice. You can log specific package version using yum version log. If you don't have it, just install it. To display the list, use yum version log list. To discard the list, use yum version log clear. Okay, let's go back to the AWS console. Let's go to Lunch Template, Action, Modify Template, scroll down to Advanced Details, and to User Data. Here you can add your file or add something manually, just like me. As you can see, automatically after starting ec2, I want to install Docker in a specific version. If you remember, we had several versions to choose from. So, maybe this time we will choose this version. Create template version. Now we can test this solution. Launch instance from template. Of course, latest version. Launch instance. This time I don't need any key. Launch instance. Okay, we can move on to our new ec2. Refresh. Connect. Connect. Docker version. As you can see, this time, after starting ec2, we have Docker in specific version. In my opinion, it's worth using user data. As you can see, sometimes they are helpful at work. Once you know what it is, you can take it to the next level. I encourage you to create infrastructure using code. For example, I like use Terraform, but before you start using infrastructure as a code, I think it's worth getting to know the console and UI. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.